They didn't fight a war.
Ashutosh Verma ji,
What is
I
that
just
fighting?
want to
What
read
is
out.
fighting?
I just want to read out
Fighting
excerpts from the
government.
Madhya Pradesh
People,
High
we have
Court's
right to
judgment, and this judgment in 2024 said the court lamented the fact that it took almost 5 decades for the central government to realize its mistake, to acknowledge that an internationally renowned organization like RSS was wrongly placed amongst the banned organizations of the country, and that its removal therefrom is quintessential. Aspirations of many central government employees of serving the country in many ways therefore got diminished in these 5 decades because of this ban. ये मध्य प्रदेश हाई कोर्ट कह रही है, ना कोई सरकार कह रही है, ना मैं कह रही हूं. But the bigger issue is this a distraction away from the issues of governance? Because
Yes.
investment issues, civic issues, Karnataka as a destination for investment, these are the challenges. But what are the ministers there doing? Banning RSS.
They are attacking industrialists. They are saying you use
So,
your
Navika ji,
your
this is
money
nothing else
to
but
fund the
what the
development
earlier
of
government,
Gujarat.
which is the BJP government, has cleared the rule, and I think the chief minister at that time has given the rule not to involve the officers, government officers, in any other program which is not implicated in the school curriculum. So I don't think it needs to be much more hyped as you are doing. But as far as I concerned, RSS is nothing. It's just a hate-mongering institution, and I don't find it any reason to have continuing in, at least in India, because they have lots of history which have anti-nationalism. They supported British government during the Quit India movement. They supported Nathuram Godse. They distributed the sweets after Mahatma Gandhi assassinations. They positioned the Constitution of India, Golwalkar, in the bunch of thoughts. Says that Constitution of India is just a rubbish and nothing. They refused to hoist the just refused to hoist the tricolor till 2002. And this is a mere historical facts you can't deny. So, and till now you are praising RSS in the one of the most acclaimed organization, but they don't have even a registration copy.
Yes.
They don't have any legal framework.
Shame.
So all illegal activities can easily go in the RSS, in the name of RSS.
Shame.
And it is being going from long to 4 decades. So I think RSS should be banned, because they are basically what doing in nowadays.
So RSS is illegal, can indulge in illegal activities, but Yaqub Memon, जिसको सपोर्ट करने सब निकले थे, वो लीगल एक्टिविटीज कर रहा था. जमाते इस्लामी, STPI, PFI, IUML, these are all legal organizations from whom the Congress has taken support on several occasions. Anand Ranganathan, am I right?
नहीं, मैं डॉक्टर साहब से मैं उनकी इज्जत करता हूं, खुद जानते हैं, मैं इनसे सीधा सवाल है. डॉक्टर साहब, इफ आई से दैट मुस्लिम्स आर द वर्स्ट ऑफ क्रीचर्स, डू यू थिंक आई एम अ हेट मॉन्गर?
No, I think it's your ideology. I can't think. I can't comment on all these things. It is your way of thinking.
You can't comment. So if I am saying Muslims are the worst of creatures, you are not able to comment that is hate mongering or not.
What's your point, Anand?
No. Look.
मैं इनका डर दिखा रहा हूं.
What the point I have kept in the debate are historical facts. If you can deny,
please don't.
आप सुनिए. आप एक भी historical facts को अगर आप deny कर सकते हैं, then have a debate.
Okay, Anand Ranganathan, respond to the question raised by Ashutosh ji.
हाँ, देखिए, पहली बात तो आशुतोष जी की क्लैरिटी जितनी है सामने आ गई कि जो कोई आदमी कह रहा है इतनी हेटफुल चीज, मैं खुद अपने आप को हेट मॉन्गर मानूंगा अगर मैं कहूंगा मुस्लिम्स आर द वर्स्ट ऑफ क्रीचर्स, लेकिन इनमें ये हिम्मत नहीं है. पता है क्यों नहीं है कहने की ये हेट मॉन्गरिंग है? क्योंकि एक रिलीजियस स्क्रिप्चर कहता है हिंदूज आर द वर्स्ट ऑफ क्रीचर्स, और ये उसको हेट मॉन्गरिंग नहीं मानेंगे. बहरहाल मैं तहसीन पे आना चाहता हूं, जो कि लॉयर हैं. आई एम श्योर आई एम अ बिट डिसअपॉइंटेड इन द acumen, the legal acumen of my dear friend Tehseen when he is quoting CCS rules. इनको पता होना चाहिए कि वो millions of government employees उसके अंदर नहीं आते हैं. Number one, अकॉर्डिंग टू त्रिपुरा हाई कोर्ट जजमेंट 2020 लिपिका वर्सेस त्रिपुरा, आप स्टेट, आप उसका देख लीजिए. व्हेन दिस पर्सन अटेंडेड अ लेफ्ट रैली and was suspended and disciplinary action taken, the court said, ruled in that person's favor. Number two, it is a fact, not only can you attend political organizations and rallies, RSS is not a political organization. तो ये बात ही नहीं बनती है कि आप आरएसएस की रैलीज अटेंड ना करें. तो प्लीज भ्रम ना फैलाएं. तहसीन, प्लीज let us go by fact.
Well, I'm short of time. I'm short of time.
Just one line. In the Tripura case which I'm aware of, one second. In the Tripura case in which I'm aware of, it was a please, yaar. In the Tripura case, it was a political rally. A Karnataka employee can go to a rally. This was a function of the RSS. There are two separate.
Which is not even a political rally.
So why do they?
You are justifying one. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is called a theorem, that we used to learn in trigonometry in school, QED. Hence, proved that logic is not something that is that visits the Congress party or its supporters very often. We leave it at that. They will continue to abuse Kiran Mazumdar Shaw. They will continue to abuse common people, RSS, BJP, Modi. As far as their own governance is concerned, well, that's on vacation. Till the time they figure out who's going to be the next chief minister from within their own party. That's the way Karnataka model really works on the ground. We leave it at that. Thank you very much to all my panelists for joining me on the News Hour tonight. With that, it's a wrap. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be back tomorrow with another edition of the News Hour at 9.